You can take screenshots in your laptop in just 2 seconds. I will teach you how to take screenshots. The first thing you will need to do is just click on the print screen button in your keyboard, or you can just use Windows plus Shift plus S and this window appears. And here you can see there are three tabs. The first one is screenshot, the second one is screen recording, the third one is there are four different types of taking a screenshot includes rectangle, window, full screen and freeform. Now let's see how to take a screenshot in rectangle. If you choose rectangle, you will have to choose which area you need to screenshot. You can see the screenshot is ready. And now let me show how to take screenshot in a window. If you choose window and then tap on the screen, and you can see here is the result. It has took the entire window as a screenshot. Now let me tell you how to take a full screen screenshot. You just need to click on the full screen and the screen is screenshotted. And let's go to the final way. The final way is freeform and we will choose on freeform and I will try to crop this image. Using the freeform tool, I have just cropped this image into this. So this is how you can take screenshot. And let me tell you how to do screen recording. You can just click on this and then you will choose the area which you need to record. And you can see here there is a mic, there is a system audio. If you want to record your audio, you can just choose this. And if you don't want to, you just can enable and mute this. And if you want to record the desktop audio, you can choose this. And if you want to mute it, you can just click on this. So I have muted both of the audios like mic and the system audio. And if you want to record it, you can actually even crop after choosing the area, specific area, and like this. If you want to start recording, you can just click on start. And after the 3, 2, 1 countdown, it will start recording. Let me show you the differences. Like I have just zoomed in and zoomed out. So you can see the differences it is doing. You can see the differences. So you can see the screen is recording. And I hope you all learned how to take screenshot and screen recording. And I will see you in the next video.